Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my Maxima review. I'm here inside the dashboard of Maxima and today I'm going to give you a full demo and a run through on what this is and how it works. I'm also going to share with you the full details, the pricing, the upsells, and whether you should pick them up or not. And I got you covered with the best bonus package that you can get your hands on if you decided that you want to pick up Maxima via my link. Now, in a nutshell, Maxima is a brand new cloud-based software that will allow you to find different leads and prospects. These leads don't have an actual website, and what you can do is you can offer to create a website for them. Now, don't worry, you're gonna use the software to find leads and create different websites for them all at the same time. You can also customize these websites to rank on Google. So I think that this is a really interesting app, and if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm gonna break down everything for you. If you would like to pick up Maxima anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description if you are watching on YouTube. Once you do that, you will come through to my bonus page. If you came from Google or from my email, you would already be here. Just click on one of these green buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Maxima. Now, you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on. Now, these bonuses are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you would like access to Maxima and all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up the front end version, you have to pick it up through one of my buttons inside my bonus page. Now, my first bonus is going to be access to Stomper Pro. Stomper is another powerful software that will allow you to find different leads and prospects on Google, Yahoo, and Yellow Pages. So basically it does the same thing. It will find leads and you can contact them inside of Stomper, plus you get some done for you templates. So all you have to do is input your SMTP credentials to Stomper and you can do everything inside of it. So basically you can find the leads and you can contact them all inside of Stomper. Now, this powerful software is currently selling for $97. You're gonna get it for free as my first bonus. My second bonus, I'm gonna give you 5,000 down for you email swipes that you can copy and paste. So what you can do is you can basically add these leads to your autoresponder and set up a follow-up series, and you can add these down for you email swipes. You can just copy them and paste them and send them to these leads. Bonus number 3, I'm gonna show you a hack on how to turn these cold leads into hot buyers. Now, a fair warning, if you have never done cold email marketing, you'll never know this fact that basically when you contact like 100 leads, you'll get at least 1 or 2 responses, though the average response rate is between 1 to 2%. So people are not going to be interested. So I'm going to show you on how to get people interested, how to get people to open up your emails, and how to turn them into customers. This is my third bonus. My fourth bonus, I'm going to show you a hack on how to send bulk email using your Gmail account. Now, I advise you to get a professional email. That way that you show that you are a professional, because you're building websites for these businesses and you can basically charge more. But as a beginner, you can use your Gmail, and I'm going to show you how to send bulk email using your Gmail. Bonus number 6, you're going to get access to all the vendors bonuses. Now, these bonuses are YouTube Analytics. This is the first bonus. Digimart, stock image blowout. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble reading these bonuses. iGram machine, Facebook Amazon store application, WordPress viral click, WordPress single page builder, Facebook secret viral link, and we have WordPress YouTube video. WordPress YouTube video post. So you're gonna get all these bonuses. Feel free to pause the video and read through these bonuses, the details about these bonuses. You're gonna get these from the vendor as well. Plus you get all my custom bonuses. I can assure you that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra custom made bonuses to help you get the best out of your purchase. Now let's jump right into the sales page and see the claims made by the vendor here. Newbie banks $1,200 in just 3 days using this powerful 4-in-1 app that allows you to find, contact, and close thousands of targeted business leads without any effort or tech skills. We have no technical skills or experience needed. Start getting results from today. We have the steps that you need to do, so it's really simple. Commercial license included, skyrocket traffic leads and sales, secure your family's future, and done for you solution. So we have two versions. We have the single version, it's gonna cost you $27, and the commercial version is gonna cost you $37. And I highly advise you to go for the commercial because basically you get more features. But if you are satisfied with this version, then go for it. If you don't want to go for neither, this video is not for you probably, so you can exit out of this video. Now we have some more information, some testimonials, some more details about the product, details about the creators of these product of this product, I'm sorry, and some more details. I'm not gonna go through the whole sales page. As you can see, it's really long. You can go through it at your own time. Let's jump right into the members area and show you how this works. Now, like I said, once you pick it up through me, I'm gonna show you how to claim your bonuses first. So all you have to do, once you pick it up through me, you want to go to your JVZoo account and you want to go to your dashboard. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go back to the dashboard. Let me just open up the JVZoo dashboard here. Once you open up the dashboard, you want to go to the top right hand corner. Let me just wait for it to load up. So once you are inside your JVZoo dashboard, you're gonna click on looking for your purchases on the top right hand corner. And once you do that, you're gonna find your receipt for Maxima and you're gonna click on view details. Once you are on your receipt page, you want to scroll down and you will find a blue button just like this one that will says access bonuses by Andrew, and you'll be able to access all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly. Now let's jump right into the software. So what I advise you to do once you pick it up, you want to watch the tutorials first, and once you do that, you want to go and start generating leads and then creating websites for these leads. So basically you're going to go to the leads section here first. Then what you want to do is you want to click on create campaign and then click on add campaign. Now I'm going to name it Andrew Test and then I'm going to click on submit. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to your leads here and you want to click on filter. You want to choose the country first. So for example, if you want to contact leads in the United States, I'm just gonna choose the United States first. Then you're gonna click on search and it will bring up all the leads from the United States. Now what you want to do next is you want to click on filter again and you can type in a city. So for example, I'm gonna type in New York. And then you can choose a keyword, for example, plumber or something like that. And I'm gonna choose with emails only. So it shows the leads that have their emails included. And then I'm gonna click on search. Now, as you can see, we have over 628 leads that I can contact. What I'm gonna do is you can either select this one by one. So you're gonna select your leads one by one. For example, I'm gonna scroll down here and select a couple of leads like this. Okay, once you are satisfied with your choice, you want to go and click on add emails. So first you want to select a campaign, of course. So I'm going to select my campaign, which is going to be Andrew Test that I just created. And then I'm going to click on add emails. And as you can see, we have 9 emails has been added successfully. You can go to your campaigns and then you can view your emails that you just added. So this is the campaign that I just created. I'm going to click on view emails, and as you can see, we have these emails that I can contact. So next you can click on send email. You can choose one of the done for you templates if you want to. Now I got you covered with my done for you swipes. You can choose any of these 5,000 done for you email swipes. You can copy them and paste them, and you can basically start contacting these leads. Now these are one of the highest converting emails that I have included for you, and you can start contacting these leads basically using these done for you templates if you want to. Then you want to click on send. So here you want to replace your name, your position, your company name and address. Then you want to replace your other contact details, and you want to change the first name, which is your first name basically. This is a done for you email, so it's really cool. It has these features. You can use Gmail as your bulk email sending platform if you want to, but you can also contact these leads inside of Maxima, which I think is really cool. So you can click on send and start contacting these leads. Now let's go to the second part, which is going to be the creating the website. So once these leads reply and they show interest in this offer and they tell you that they want your service, you're going to start creating websites for them. So you're going to come here and click on create a site. Then you can choose one of the done for you templates. Now, I think this is really cool that they have included this inside of here. You can also add the custom domain, which makes it even better, basically. So if you contacted, let's say, a dental care agency or a dental care business, you want to build them a website. So we have a dental website here. I'm just going to choose it and name it Andrew Dental Site Test and click on create. Now while we are waiting for it to create the website, if you want to watch the in-depth demo video, I have included it in my bonus page, so feel free to watch that. If you don't want to watch the demo with me, you can watch the detailed demo from the vendor himself where he explains his product, and I'm sure that he will explain it better than me. So once your website is created, you can go ahead and click on view site here on the websites, and here is the website that I just created. I can open it in a new tab here, and you'll see that it's secure. This is really cool. As you can see, it's a done for you website. Now you can start editing this website right inside of here. Let me just refresh this one. So you can edit the phone number, you can edit the hours, you can edit these pages, the about page, the team, portfolio, contact, you can edit all this information. It's really easy. All you have to do is come here, you're gonna click on the 3 dots and you're gonna click on edit. And you can basically edit the website. Now for some reason it's loading a bit slow for me. Let me just wait for it and I'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's really simple to edit. I can change the name here. So for example, I'm gonna type in Andrew, something like that, Andrew Dental Whitening. I can do whatever I want. I can change the text, I can change the layout, I can add different attributes, I can add or I can change the background. I can add different elements. This is really cool. You can add buttons. You can add whatever you want. You can even use the HTML editor. If you know HTML, you can edit your website using HTML. Once you are done, you can click on save. We also have change devices, so you can change the different views. You can use the mobile view and see how the website turns out on mobile. This is really cool. You can build a website. So basically you get 2-in-1. You get to search leads and prospects, and you get to build websites for these leads. So this was my Maxima review. Now let's talk about the pricing in Upsells. The first, everything I just showed you inside the members area is gonna cost you, let me just pause the video. Yeah, it's gonna cost you $27 for the personal version, and for the commercial version it's gonna cost you $37. Now you're gonna get everything I just showed you inside the members area of Maxima. And for the first upsell, you're gonna get Maximum Deluxe for $67 one time. This upsell gives you access to the upgraded features. You can find contract and unlimited leads, 50 extra stunning done for you templates, social syndicator, video training, and VIP mastermind. So here are all the features. Feel free to read them. Upsell number 2 is going to be the Maxima Done For You Agency Marketing Kits for $47. You're going to get done for you sales proposals, email swipes, telemarketing scripts, legal contracts, graphics, Facebook ads, creative, rate cards, and much more. You can add unlimited custom domains to your project. You can view and edit custom domains. So basically you can add custom domains to these websites. In this upsell, you can't do that in the front end, unfortunately, but it's still a good deal for $47. Upsell number 3 is going to be the Maxima VIP templates for $27 a month or $197 yearly. You're going to get 15 new templates or 15 new site templates every single month. Upsell number 4 is going to be the reseller rights. We have 100 license for $197 or 300 license for $297. You get to sell Maxima and keep 100% of the profits throughout the funnel. So what I recommend you to do is you go for the front end. Obviously, just go for the commercial. It's $10 difference between the light and the commercial, but I would highly recommend you to go for the commercial because you get tons more features. Upsell number 1, I don't recommend you to get this unless you want unlimited leads. So you'll be able to contact unlimited leads all inside the software. Plus you get 50 stunning done for you templates, the social syndicator, and VIP mastermind group. So I'm not gonna recommend you this unless you want to do this as a full-time job. If you want to be a freelancer, if you want to be a graphic designer and build websites for different businesses, I would highly recommend you to go for the first upsell. If you are newbie, this is basically out of your league because I know that you don't need this. Upsell number 2 is going to be the Maxima Done For You Agency Marketing Kits. Now this upsell, I would highly recommend you to get this because you're going to get sales proposals, email swipes, telemarketing scripts, legal contracts, Facebook ads creative, and all this good stuff. So it's basically a business in a box, a done for you business in a box. I would highly recommend you to go for this. Upsell number 2, upsell number 3, you can skip it. Upsell number 4, it's up to you if you want to sell this as your own. If you want 100 licenses, you have to pay $197. 300, you have to pay $297. So I hope you like my review. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.